Follow, Jocelyn. Nice, yeah, come on.
Berlin, Brianna. You're forward.
The last one, Brianna.
Watch out for the center.
Tell her to come down the ball. Tell her to come down. Push her away from me. They're mids. Push them away. Send them down.
There you go, Trent. Get in the way.
Nice, Tanisha. Well done. Tanisha, behind you.
Stay with the ball.
Tanisha, behind you.
That's you, Sarah. Nice. That's you, Jenna. Good. Otra vez. Again. Again. Keep going.
Tanisha, see this player, 26? She's really smart. She's coming up. When you go all the way over, she's coming up and she's getting ready to receive the ball. I'm not, Tanisha, I'm not saying you can't go over there. I'm saying you need to be aware of who's on the right. Lauren, if you see that they're going to the left, you got to watch the ball. You got to watch the other players.
Nice try, Berlin. Mark up! Mark up! Sarah, 12.
Have to work more in order to afford.
That's you. Nice, who's there?
Good idea, Jasmita. Good idea, Jasmita. Nicely done, Tanisha. I liked how you moved the ball. Nicely done. Stay on her. Stay on her. Stay on her.
Let it go.
Nice.
Too much.
Lauren, good pressure. Lauren, good pressure on that one.
Hey, mark him up right there.
Watch out, we got this group right here. Be ready to crash this, Jocelyn. Be ready to crash this group.
Did he go out? Trinity with Penny. With Penny. That's it. You guys are good right there. That's you. There we go. Mia.
Go to the ball. Go to the ball. Take a shot. Left foot. Left foot. More movement to the right. Nice to the left right there. Maybe you're practicing nothing with left feet. What do you think?
Yeah.
Left foot full
Quick,
practice.
Mia, quick.
Can't use the right foot at all.
It's strange. I believe I said something like
Yes.
that.
No, and I'm agreeing with you.
Come on.
I thought Sarah was going to get it.
Going. Pay attention. Mia, you had Brianna by herself. Go back. Mia. Brianna, push them away from you. You should be the only one up there.
Lauren, move up into the space in front of you.
Mia, with the referee. Pakita na din. There you go. That's you, Mia. Turn and go. Center. Center.
Good pressure. Good idea, Tanisha. Good pressure.
Mia, go with there.
Lauren, nicely
Mia.
done. Nicely done, Lauren.
Throw it in.
Nicely done. Tanisha, that was good. Tanisha.
Berlin, check in.
Are you right or no?
Quick, Mia, quick.
Huh? Okay. Try to stay to the right of that white line.
No.
Right of that. We need you on this side.
Come back.
And I'm probably going to leave with Dax to go to that, but just to look at the
That's you, Sarah. Nice.
Nicely done, Penny. Stay on it, Penny.
That's you, Berlin. That's you, Berlin.
Come on, Berlin.
It's pretty cool. The same
Put it back
place.
in.
I've gone there for a few other parties.
Nice.
Gone there with a few adults. They, this room is all black, right? Kind of foggy, and we're in the class, and it's all attached to the gun, and so you've got there's
Red ball.
back, front, and shoulder.
Red ball.
Sarah, take it out.
The other team doesn't have enough people. So we're loaning them one of ours. Taylor was on the other team last time. Yep. Just remember last season that happened a lot for us is we didn't have enough people. He'll do that, and then Becky's going to take him to...
Mia, more in the middle. Yeah! It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, 20 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
It's okay, get ready. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Get ready. Get ready.
Look over more.
It's our kickoff now. Get ready. It's our opportunity.
Get back on defense. Let's go. Get back.
What do you mean? Yeah, of course.
There, be out of your first stand.
But just make sure
Ready,
you
turn around.
stand to the left.
Mia, as soon as it touches the ball, go after
You
it.
should never be next to each other. You should never be right in front of each other, okay? You need to be staggered.
Let's go, girls, move.
That was
Move.
last.
Come, Mia.
We haven't been there in 3 weeks.
Nice, Brianna.
Yep.
That's you, Gina.
So the next
Nice. Go after Sarah.
they do have a game. We have a schedule.
Derek, get back. Derek, you're on defense. Get back. Ready, get in there. Get on defense.
Mia, you have one behind you,
Get in there,
Mia.
Sarah. There you go. Nice. There you go. Push it up, Jim. Back her up here. You got Mia back. There you go.
Good.
Tap forward. Tap forward. There you go. Oh, not that.
That's you. Nice. Go with her. Keep going, Mia.
There you go. Move up.
Go.
Nicely done.
Go, Sarah. Pick it up.
I'm working on teaching her something new. That's all she knows.
Avika, you
Go,
got
Trin,
pressure.
get in
You gotta
there.
move towards the ball.
There you go, Trin. Step in front. Nice. Good
Yeah.
defending, Trin.
Yeah. Next time, go with her. You would have been by yourself with the goalie. Brianna, last man. Push everyone back. Berlin's in the middle always. Berlin in the middle. Mia, with that one behind you.
There you go, Gina. There you go, Gina. All right, move up. Let's go. Do it again. There we go. You got Mia wide. You got Mia wide.
Come
Good.
here.
That's yours.
Go.
Shoot, Brianna. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Turn around, turn around, turn around.
Yumna, come right. Yumna, come right.
Let her know you're there, Mia.
Berlin, Berlin. Berlin, you're too far.
Go for the ball.
That's you, Berlin. Nice, keep going, keep going.
Stay on
Nice,
it.
go, Mia.
Stay on it. Stay on it.
You got Berlin back. You got Berlin back.
You got Gina in the back too. Go, Sarah, go, Sarah.
Head on.
Get in there, Sarah.
Stay on it, Penny. Stay on it, Penny.
Hold back, Gina.
Stay on it. Take the shot.
Call her, Mia. Call her.
Good idea. Good idea. Go for the ball.
Let her go, let her go, let her go.
Yumna, it's yours. Run it down.
Brianna, Brianna, get away from her.
Nicely done, Lauren. Yumna, it's yours. Win it. Win it. Good job, Yumna. Stay on it. Stay on it. Well done, Yumna. Well done.
Get back. Get back.
George, Yumna, you got it. Stay on it, Yumna. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Well done. Stay on it. Pressure. Go forward towards her. Pressure. Pressure. Pressure.
Nice, go, Mia. Go with her. Nice, throw it in.
Nice. Yumna, you're doing great. Keep on it, okay? You're
Berlin
doing great.
chicken?
Stay on it.
Jocelyn, you got to cover this line, otherwise you drag all the defense out here. Make sure you're covering the line.
That's right, Brianna.
There you go. Go for it.
Good communication, Jasmine. Nicely done, Avika. You went right to the ball.
Back her up, Mia.
Nice
That's it, Berlin,
idea.
There you go.
Stay on it.
Good.
Go for it. Go for it. Well done, ladies.
Step in front. Step in front. Slow her down. There we go. Nice.
That's your Brianna. Shoot.
There you go.
Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Turn around.
Keep trying. Good play. Nice pass, Trin.
Oh, okay.
Trinity, go with Penny.
Get back on Penny, Trin. There you go.
If the ball's coming in like that, you need to be seeing the ball in the goal if there's nobody else looking at it, okay?
Brianna. Brianna. Last man.
Nice, Brianna. Shoot it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
It's okay, Ava. It's okay.
Good. Ah, there you go, girl.
Drop back, drop back.
Hey, Ava. It's all right. You're the last person. You have to wait for it to sit down. Pressure them, Ava. Pressure them, they'll make a mistake.
I want them to bungalow better than oh my god. It's like out of control. We finally had contact. They're all gone. Finally had oh, you did? Yeah, exactly. And that was like 10 screaming 8-year-old boys for 4 hours straight. Oh, maybe not as many people.
Go back to spots, girls. Go back to spots.
Move up. Give her some passes. There you go.
Nice. Go, go, go. Follow me up. Get me away.
Mia, you got to get in there. Get that center.
Push up, girls, push up. Mark him up.
You got to give her an option to pass to. Give her an option to pass to. Give her an option to pass to. Tanisha, you got to
Hey, mark him up, mark him up.
go to the ball. Go to the ball.
There we go. Good job, girls, good job.
Good play. Good play. Good job, Panthers.